Introducing the all-new Toyota Alphard 2025, the epitome of luxury and advanced mobility in the MPV segment. With its bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and superior comfort, this premium minivan redefines what it means to travel in style. First, let's talk about its exterior design. The new Toyota Alphard features a striking front grille with sleek LED headlights and a futuristic DRL light strip that extends across the front. Its sculpted body lines, aerodynamic shape, and premium alloy wheels give it a commanding presence on the road. Plus, the power sliding doors and hands-free tailgate make access effortless. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of ultimate luxury. The spacious cabin offers plush captain seats wrapped in premium Napa leather with built-in massage and ventilation functions. The ambient lighting system, inspired by a luxury lounge, enhances the refined atmosphere. The panoramic sunroof and large side windows provide a bright and airy feel, making long journeys even more enjoyable. The technology in the 2025 Alphard is simply next level. The cockpit features a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital driver display, and an AI-powered voice assistant. Rear passengers get their own entertainment screens, wireless charging pads, and even an integrated minibar for maximum convenience. Under the hood, the Alphard 2025 comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine producing 275 horsepower, ensuring a smooth yet powerful ride. The hybrid variant offers exceptional fuel efficiency while maintaining top performance. The suspension is finely tuned for ultimate comfort, even on rough roads. Toyota has also equipped this MPV with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking. The 2025 Toyota Alphard is more than just a minivan, it's a statement of class, innovation, and comfort. Whether you're traveling with family or making an executive arrival, this MPV delivers an unparalleled experience. Want to see more? Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive automotive content. Thanks for watching.